Hello everyone, welcome to Cobo Argus. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of setting up a withdrawal bot for the Curve Convex protocol. In your DeFi journey, ensuring the safety of your funds is of paramount importance. By setting up a withdrawal bot, you can customize risk parameters such as pool weight and deposit ratio. The withdrawal bot will monitor on-chain data in real time and take actions when the metrics it tracks hit user-defined thresholds, such as a sudden surge in your deposit ratio within a liquidity pool. In such cases, the withdrawal bot will promptly withdraw your funds from the pool to mitigate potential risks. You can follow the steps below to set up a withdrawal bot for the Curve Convex protocol. Log into your Argus account and click on Bots on the left sidebar. On the Bots homepage, select the type of bot you want to set up. In this tutorial, we will use the Curve Convex STETHing withdrawal bot as an example. On the Details page, read the bot introduction. Before setting up a Curve Convex STETHing withdrawal bot, do make sure that you have already provided STETH or ETH liquidity on Curve and stake your LP tokens on Convex. In the console, select a safe wallet in a safe module. Click on Setup Bot. Enter a name for your bot. Note that a maximum of 20 characters is supported. Next, you can set one or multiple triggers for your bot. The STETHing pool withdrawal bot supports multiple triggers: pool weight and deposit ratio in Curve or Convex. Pool weight refers to a token's share in a liquidity pool. A significant shift can imply deviation from its pegged value. For example, in Curve's STETHing pool, if STETH's weight exceeds ETH's considerably, it might be depegged. To manage this, the withdrawal bot monitors STETH's proportion in the pool, auto-withdrawing funds if STETH's share becomes excessively high, thus reducing potential risks. You can also configure trigger conditions based on the deposit ratio in Curve or Convex. Deposit ratio in Curve or Convex refers to your deposit against the total withdrawable funds in a DeFi protocol. Typically, withdrawable funds should notably surpass deposits. However, mass simultaneous withdrawals can sharply drain the available funds. To address this, the withdrawal bot monitors the STETH/ETH pool in Curve or Convex. When the deposit ratio drops below your preset threshold, the bot initiates an automatic fund withdrawal to ensure security. You can now set up one or multiple tasks for your withdrawal bot. If you tick the notification box, Argus will send an email to the admins and operators of the organization each time your withdrawal bot executes a task. If you tick the withdrawal box, the withdrawal bot will withdraw your principal amount either into a single type of token or multiple types of tokens that are supported by the pool. If you select multiple types, your principal amount will be withdrawn into multiple types based on the current token ratio in the liquidity pool. For instance, the STETHing withdrawal bot can withdraw your principal amount into STETH and ETH according to the token ratio in the STETHing LP pool. If you select a single type, your principal amount will be withdrawn into a single type. Assume that you've deposited STETH and ETH into Curve's STETHing pool and you want to withdraw your principal amount into ETH only. In this case, the STETHing withdrawal bot can withdraw your principal amount into STETH and ETH, and then automatically swap them into ETH. Do note that you will need to set a slippage threshold. An extremely low threshold may result in withdrawal failures, while an extremely high threshold might lead to losses. Proceed to review the list of tokens that need your approval for the bot to operate. review your bot configurations and make sure that they are all correct. Click on Submit. A multi-sig transaction will be initiated. Safe owners will need to head to Safe Wallet to complete a multi-sig transaction. Click on Check the transaction to view its progress. Wait for the transaction to complete. After safe owners successfully complete the multi-sig transaction, a congratulations message will be shown on the Argus homepage. Gas fees will be incurred each time the withdrawal bot executes a task. To make sure that your bot will function properly, please top up your gas account in advance. Click on Bots on the left sidebar. Then, click on View Next to Strategy Bot. Click on the Deposit button. Alternatively, click on Gas Account at the top of the page to top up your gas fees. Before making a deposit, do make sure that the blockchain network is correct. Under the My Bots homepage, locate your Curve Convex STETHing withdrawal bot. Click on View All to check its running status. Click on Edit to modify the settings of your withdrawal bot. Click on Terminate if you want to permanently remove your withdrawal bot. Because terminating a bot will remove its on-chain authorization, a multi-sig transaction from safe owners is required. That is a wrap for today. For more information on Cobo Argus, please visit www.cobo.com or follow us on Twitter and Discord.